Another beautiful day in AZ. Another beautiful day at the 79. What's going on is the gas pedals brackets are broke. It's a pretty common issue with these 79 to 84 models. So I'm gonna do a little creativity with a customized pedal. Got the bracket rusted out and broke it off the frame here. So we're gonna have to figure out how to customize this to make that sit right again. Another shout out to Ace Hardware for supplying the material done for this project. Alright, it's all done. The brackets are on. Turned out a little bit better than I thought it would. Very sturdy. Good motion. Should work really well. Alright, we got her in. Looks pretty good. Hooked on the back side there. Cool beans. Well, after letting the paint dry, it looks pretty good.